Hey guys, so I intended this to be a non-talking video, just trying to work through some things on YouTube, seeing what people like and what they don't. Regardless, if you click this video, you'll see that I'm probably going to call this a restoration. It's going to be a little birdhouse a lady wanted me to kind of fix up. The only issue, what most people would call a restoration, is fixing up the parts that are there. And unfortunately, the only parts I'm going to be able to reuse in this one are the sides, and they were oak. But whoever had built this years ago had built the front and the back out of poplar. Probably not the best thing for weather, and as you can tell, it did not hold up. But you know, I'll give it credit. It's been who knows how many years this thing was built, and it's held up this well. But regardless. The lady wanted me to fix this thing back up, and so I'm going to do it to the best of my ability. So I'm going to use these as a pattern, you know, to kind of go off of, and use some of the stuff I've already had in stock here. And this one, I can't tell what this particular board is, but possibly oak, so it'll go along with this if that's what it is. Regardless, I'm probably not going to do a fancy look to this one. You know, I'm not going to sand it all down, do all this, because I want it to look old. And once you put it out in the weather, this will gray just like it was. But I guess my OCD kicked in. I don't want to work with wood that is uneven, because one end that was thinner than the other, and that just kind of irked me. And I did happen to run into running this through the planer. There was one nail. I thought it was going to be low enough to where I could get a good clean shave over it without touching it, but it actually hit, so I may end up having to change my planer blades. But regardless, let's get back to the project.